Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to show you how to make the whale tail tab by hand, and it's super easy. These are very coveted, these punches. They're like gold dust, and I often see them going on eBay for £100 or more, which is absolutely ludicrous. So I'm going to show you how to make this lovely shape by hand very easily. So all you need to start with is either a 2-inch circle punch or a circular item that you can draw around that measures 2 inch, or failing that, go old school and use a compass and a pencil. Everything can be done if you think of a way. So I'm going to, in the first instance, punch myself circles. Now I find that when I'm punching, I'm using paper, so I find that whenever I'm punching paper, it's always better to double it up. Punches just don't work very well, no matter how fantastic they are, on thin paper. So let me just, I'll do it here by the fold. So I'm just punching out my circles and put one to one side. Now I will say that you may need to practice on some scrap paper. Okay, don't use this in the first instance on your most expensive graphic 45 scrapbooking paper, please, because you may need a couple of practices, but practice will make it worth it. So all you need to do is fold your circle in half in the first instance, okay, and crease it sharply. Okay, so you've got that. Then we're going to fold it in half, corner to corner. Alright, now there's no need to crease that sharply, just hold it there carefully in the centre. Now you need some sharp scissors, and preferably with the pointy ends and with thin blades. Don't be trying to use great big scissors like this to do it, or you won't get detailed results. So the first cut you need to make is we need to just straighten this. So it doesn't really matter at this point how far in you cut, just make sure that that circular edge there is now straight, okay, like so. So you've got curved, then straight, and then you've got a right angle, okay? Don't worry if it's not perfectly straight, it's very forgiving, it's fine. Then swivel it, okay? And then from here, where the curve ends, along here we're going to make a small snip. Now this is where a few practice attempts, might help you, because depending on how close you cut to this edge here, or up to this edge here, will depend on how nice your shape looks. It might take you a few goes, but once you've got the perfect shape, then I'll tell you what we're going to do. So I'm going to snip it, and I'm snipping about there. I'm literally doing it by eye. I'm thinking how I like it to look, and I'm snipping by eye. And then again, how far you're snipping will determine your shape. So again, it might take you 2 or 3 goes to get it right. Alright, because there's no exact measurement, it's all done by eye, but it's still very easy, so persevere. So then just snip in a small amount, okay, so we've got a small snip there. Alright, then go in to the end of your blade, and we're going to do a curved cut and then end up straight, okay. So what you do is you start cutting with your scissors gently with the blade, and you turn your paper, okay, and you want a slightly curved cut there. Alright, and then once you're straight again, like so, you go straight up. Okay, so you're going to end up with something like that. Mine's not terribly curved, but there's a very small curve, if you can see. Again, this is where doing it a few times comes in handy. Then what you want to do is you just want to curve this edge here. It just looks nicer. So again, just get your snips and just very gently just curve it off. And again, it doesn't matter if it's perfect, both sides are going to match because you've got it folded in half. And then when you open your shape, you will have your whale tail tab punch shape. Now again, like I say, a few attempts, you might get this a little bit more nicely rounded. I've got one here which is pretty much perfect, and it took me 2 goes. When you find one that is aesthetically pleasing to you, don't forget there's no right or wrong so long as you're getting a reasonably nice shape. What you do then is you go and you get yourself some scrap card and you glue it down. Okay, glue that down and then cut it out. And then forever and a day you then have a template for that shape without the need for desiring this punch. There's more important things in life than the whale-tailed tab punch. Alright, I hope that helps. Go and give it a try. After maybe 1 or 2 attempts, you'll get the look that you like. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.